Hello guys, good evening! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Ayan guys, so yesterday it was my rest day. So we don't have flower arrangement. But now I have a round bouquet order made of purple roses and spray roses. And we're gonna put this card. I don't know which card is this. The Beauty Factor Spa, this one, inside the hand bouquet. So let's start it, guys. So ito na siya, guys. Nabilog na natin yung bouquet. Ayan. It's made of purple roses. Nakalubog yung isa. Charot. And we're gonna wrap it with purple or pink cover also. So let's go. Charan! Hello, good morning! Ito na siya, guys. This is the purple bouquet with purple sheer wrapping. Ayan. So very, very matchy. I like the color combination. And we're gonna cover it down. We're not done yet. Let's continue. So ito na siya, guys. It's ready. And we're gonna put this card over here. Yung ginawa natin, guys, is standing bouquet because it has cards for what you call this gift. Yan. Hida. So it should be here. I will take holder, this one. Yes, sir. Good, alhamdulillah. Fine.
Ready?
Sorry?
Ready?
Yeah, it's ready. Just a minute. It's an Apple Watch there for delivery. So this is it, guys. It's ready. So this is the flower, guys, and I hope you like it. It's so very, very pretty purple with light purple. Ayan. So very simple but nice. Ayan, guys, so kung sino pa dyan na hindi nakasubscribe sa aking channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell for the latest videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. Hello mi amigos, mi amigas, mga nami lawas. Ayan guys, for tonight we're gonna make a simple gift in the paper bag. Ayan. So this is the gift, guys. Watch Perfumes, and it has this own bag like this. And we're gonna put only the flower here. Also in the box, no need anything. Just this own paper bag. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's start it. So yan siya, guys, it's ready. Ayan. I put what you call this, cotton, pink, red roses, and some chrysanthemums. Ayan, guys. I hope you like my creations tonight and hope you subscribe to my channel. Press notification bell for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.